back working here today on this bit. I'm gonna cut this off here, basically cut it right off and then clean it up, because on the replacement panel it has this bit and it's a bit shit. I don't really like that, so I'm gonna cut this off and clean it up just so it looks better. Like, I could see this bit's been a repair, so I'll use that out the new one. So really it's just this bit I want to keep. There's that piece removed. There it is there. The bit I'd hoped to keep is pretty shitty. It's already had quite a repair, so it doesn't look too good. I've cut out most of the bottom stuff that was just hanging down, basically. This has had a repair at some point. It's got this, seems to be a bit of angle iron kind of stuff in there. So I'm going to cut all the way along here just now to get rid of that, because that is in the new bit anyway. So get that cut out just now. Got that cut out. Which leaves this. So obviously that's getting cut out anyway. I'm going to have a few repairs to do on this edge. So get on and do that now. There's a new inner held up there. As you can see, this is all rotten, so we're going to grind all this along here. Basically, right along the bottom of the lip, and replace all that. I've noticed that under all this rusty shit, there's another patch, right? So I'm gonna, I'm gonna cut out all these wee shitty pigeon shit welds that we've put in and see what lies underneath. I know basically what they've done in the previous repair is the original bit was rotten, obviously, so they've patched over it on the inside of the tub and on here, just basically to get past an MOT, but it's pretty shitty. I've got that patch removed. It just goes to show that that was apparently welded on all sides, and look how much moisture has got under the patch. So it just shows you just patching it, it's not going to do anything, it just lets it rot more. And we'll get this cut out, all that cut out. Going to get it cleaned up. I'll run over there now with a knot wheel just to get a wee clean up, see what's what. Going to have to grind under here because I've still got weld under here to clean back from the patch to repair stroke thing. Get all this rot cut out. I've cut that bit out. I've sanded the whole thing back to, well, as shiny metal as I can get. And this is the coat of the Volkswagen Hydrate 80. I'm going to make a repair piece here. I'll weld that in before I cut this bit out to repair that piece. I've got a few wee bits there. I'll just cut that whole bit out probably. Same there. Before I weld this lip on. back at the van this morning. The belt handlers went off. Really, I had given it 3 coats in the end. Just feels plasticky. I'm going to give that a coat of primer just now, just so it's got something on it. I'll need to remember, obviously, where the bad bits are. There it's with the primer on and dry. Looks a million times better already. My next stage is to put this bit in here, but to do that I need to get all this in here cleaned up. So that's my next job. In as far as I can get with a finger sander. I'll clean up the side as well without dropping the fuel tank, just because I can't be arsed. So I'll get half it cleaned up and I'll leave this side for the now. There, I've got that cleaned up. Oh, missed the bottom edge. Got that cleaned up with a finger sander. I'll clean that bottom edge up. There's the inside now. It's as good as I could get it. With a finger sander. I'm gonna spray some, put some hydrated 80 in there and spray some in there, obviously, because I can't get in to brush it. The spray bottle was a fail, so I ended up brushing it in. But that's, I had a couple of coats now. I can get on with fabricating this bit. I'm midway through fabricating the bit for the step. Requires a bit of welding. I got this welding mask from my mate Chopper and his brother Steph, and they gave me some lamb skin gloves, which I don't like gloves, but these are great, so thank you very much Chopper and Steph. Brilliant. There is that bit all primered up for now. I spilled juice in the bottom there. I'm going to clean these back because that's where the bit I've fabricated for here is. I'll show you that just now. There's the bit I've fabricated there. Obviously I'm just holding it in, it does line up to the edges and stuff like that. There we are, clamped in and ready to weld. I've got some weld through primer on the other side of it. This weld primer's the last chance that I'll get to get any paint on it. There's that bit welded in. Certainly not my finest welds, especially this bit. Blew a few holes. Not done this bit because I'm going to have to cut this bit out anyway. I actually put a plumber's heat mat in between the metal and the fuel tank, so don't worry about that when I was welding that. Done my spot weld there. I'm not going to do these ones because they're missing. So I'm going to clean that up now. There's that weld buffed down and it painted. Next job is to carry it on, replacing this bit. There's the next piece cut and ready to weld in. There's that bit welded in. Spilt my juice. Obviously I'm going to have to clean that up flush to put the next piece in. So I'll go ahead and do that now. There's that bit all smoothed in.